Today I'd like to talk about one of the most well-known houseplants in the world, aloe vera. This plant is famous not only for its appearance, but also for its long history of use and its easy care. Aloe vera is a succulent plant with thick, fleshy leaves that store water. Because of this, aloe can survive long periods without watering, which makes it an excellent choice for beginners and busy people. Let's start with care. Aloe vera loves bright light and grows best on a sunny windowsill. It can tolerate partial shade, but too little light may cause the leaves to become thin and weak. Watering should always be moderate. Aloe does not like wet soil. The most common mistake is overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Always wait until the soil is completely dry before watering again. Aloe prefers well-draining soil, ideally a cactus or succulent mix, and a pot with drainage holes. Now let's talk about benefits. The gel inside aloe leaves is widely known and commonly used in cosmetics and skincare products. It is often associated with soothing and moisturizing properties. Many people use aloe gel for minor skin irritation or after sun exposure. In addition, aloe vera is valued as a decorative plant and is believed in some cultures to bring protection and positive energy to the home. Aloe also produces baby plants, called pups, which can be separated and grown into new plants. However, it's important to mention possible harm and precautions. Aloe vera is toxic to pets, especially cats and dogs, if ingested. Also, applying fresh aloe gel directly to the skin may cause irritation or allergic reactions in some people. A patch test is always recommended. Internal use of aloe products should only be done with proper knowledge and professional advice. In conclusion, aloe vera is a beautiful, low-maintenance houseplant with many positive qualities, but it should still be treated with care and respect. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.